Hey YouTube, or should I say TikTok gang, if you are coming from TikTok, let me know in the comments down below. I'm slowly trying to get my TikTok gangs into my YouTube and not only Twitch, because I want to start up doing more unboxing, vlogs, gaming related stuff on my channel again, because I have not been working on my YouTube for a while, and this is how I want to keep it going. So today, we're not only unboxing one thing, two things actually. The Go XLR Mini, and this is a new mic. And if you've seen this on my TikTok as a trailer, you know already what it is or which kind, but this should be like the dream mic of all mics as a streamer. And I've been looking for these for a while now, but because of how expensive it is, and you had to get like the Go XLR or something else beside to power it up, I'm like, I'm just gonna go for USB mics. So, but yeah, we finally got it. The Shure SM7B and Go XLR Mini. I will be unboxing now and testing it out on my PC, and yeah, let's see how this one goes. Now, before we continue on with this video, or now it sounds like I'm sponsored, but no, it's nothing to do with that. I just want to say, for me to even be able to purchase these and my PC and so on is because of you guys, the massive support on Twitch and YouTube. I just want to say thank you for letting me do this. Thank you for being so supportive and making this a part-time job for me to do. Now let's just unbox these bad boys. Alright, first let's unbox the Go XLR. Now I just want to say that this is used, so I bought it for like $100, and these were actually quite hard to find. I was thinking of the Go XLR, just the regular one, but the Mini should have enough power to boot up the SM7B. So let's just dive straight into it. Alright, so you get the power cable. Now, the guy who sold this to me said that it was only used for 6 months, and he bought a giant mixer or something, so he didn't need anything, or he didn't need these more, so I could buy it for like $100. Feels heavy. Metal. Yeah, I think it's just an easy plug and play, but we'll see. And the manual. Alright, tell me guys, for those who have the Go XLR, let me know if if something's missing when you buy it from the store or something. But yeah. And here we have the Shure SM7B. Oh, I cannot wait. Whew. Limited warranty. Yeah, we have a user guide. And now the actual mic. Oh my god, I've been looking for these for like I don't know how many months, for a while now, and I'm like, I'm never ever going to purchase these type of mics. I was actually looking for the Shure MV7, and then I actually bought it, but returned it actually last night or yesterday, because I was getting the Go XLR Mini. So I was like, I'm returning the MV7, and I'm gonna purchase this one instead. I don't know what this is for yet, but we'll figure it out. Oh, it's heavy. I thought so, because I've seen a lot of reviews. Yo. Oh, they don't come off easily. I like that. So, yeah. Yo, let's just, yeah, let's finish the unboxing part. What do we have in here? Oh, I don't want to destroy the box. Wait. Okay, nothing underneath. Yo, no way! You're actually getting an extra foam. Huh. I don't like the round design. I rather have the. Oh. I like this more, with some hard edges. I like this one more. Now let's just plug everything in and see how it goes. All right, guys. So now I've managed to set everything up with the Go XLR and the Shure SM7B. I'm happy that I did not record the process of setting everything up because it took a while. Now, I pretty much just installed the Go XLR. I wish I had a test mic with my old mic, the Rode NT USB, to compare, but basically what you're listening to right now is the Shure SM7B. Now let's go into the app. Look at this awesome transition. This is basically my stream setup on Twitch. Link is in the bio, guys. When I opened up the Go XLR, you had like different profiles already installed. The red, the teal blue, vaporwave. I don't know if that's just the colors. I don't think it has any effects on the equalizer, gate, compressor, etc. So basically the gate is how many decibels it has to catch before it'll send some sounds out. Like if I put it way up, if you turn it off, basically you can listen to it, and I think you could hear my son. So yeah, the gate around 4. Let's turn up the bass. Testing. Oh, hey, welcome to Radio FM 2 with yours truly, Redrix. You like the bass sound? Or should we turn out? Oh my. Okay, so again with the freak funky sound, we need to add some bass. Oh, 3. Oh, right at the sweet spot. What about the mid? Turn down the mid. Turn up the mid. Let's have it at 3. Treble. Hello. Oh, hi. Or 2. Hey, I like 2. I freaking love the Shure, man. I don't want to touch the compressor, so Hey. Treble could go down to 0. Hey, yeah. I like this one. Let me know. Alright, so this is the test for the Shure SM7B. Let me know down in the comments what you are getting as your future mic, or what you have right now. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments, or if you want to hang out and play some games with me, the link's in the bio for my Twitch. I stream every Tuesday, Fridays, and Saturdays. The rest of the week is family time, doing content for TikTok and YouTube. So until then, I'll see you all again next time. Peace.